Slightly still disappointed. I heard. Nice change.
Week 6, I thought we were the Bucks. There's a crazy way that you can communicate with like the rest of your team. Yeah, because you do that. Where your schedule is literally in the group chat. I looked at it every little week. Oh my god. I was really good too. That's the wrong game. What's that called again? That's it. I don't know if you call it straight or some kind of straight. Catch me with you guys, yo. I'll let you know. Play at instead of always follow guys, so I like playing outside. Some people just pull up with 5 people and ready to play.
See all the savages? There's no excuses here. fucking standing, people. See, people talk shit, but they don't live it. I talk shit. I back it up every fucking time I've ever talked shit. I've always backing it up. You motherfuckers. Right? Right. Yep. Yep. Yeah, I don't hit lights. Fuck that. I just run across. Very busy time of day, too, you know. I come here 5 different times a fucking day trying to run into fucking little pussies that think they're gangsters. They all get out of your fucking way. He's only lifting weights. Anyone can lift weights. Just letting you people know out there, it's not bad for you. It's not bad for you at all, actually. When you get older, it's actually good for you. Because it's for bone density and stuff like that. I would never tell anyone not to lift weights. I would tell people that lift the weights to get in the bodybuilding and get paid to do it. You know what I mean? Because muscles make it harder to fight. That's why I always tell. That's why I always preach lean muscle. Just keep your speed, your endurance, everything. You know what I mean? The guy was calling me a show off today in a good way. He wasn't like talking shit, older guy. I go, I don't show off. Probably pedophiles, who knows? Support. And the war on drugs, support. I agree, but you know what? The war on drugs has been going on for a long time. There's never been one. These fucking maggots today that fucking sell drugs, there's no fucking honor amongst thieves, you know? Maggots. Not all of them, obviously. There's good ones. When I was growing up, it was just a little bit different, you know? Everyone who had the best, who had the garbage, you know what I mean? Yeah. That's beautiful out. Just get your sweating, people. Poor sweat cocksuckers, all right? We're going to take a picture of some real estate, see? For sale? Peace.